Hey, we're gonna talk today about one of my favorite topics, hidden doors. The doors are done and man, they look fantastic. I'm really happy with the way these turned out. This is Shou Sugi Ban, which is a Japanese technique for toasting wood, and we use this on a ton of siding on the outside. So to bring this element on the inside, it's really cool. Now there's a pantry behind this door, so it's not as much a hidden door as it really is a flush door. We did use hardware on this. It's really just a dummy knob. We've got a magnet catch system on the top, but here's the heart of the system. You can see those Sugi hinges. These things are totally worth the money. We've got adjustment here on these buttons with a little Allen key for up, down, right, left, in, out. We can really get the door perfectly adjusted, and that way we just have that 1/8 or so slit on both sides. Now, if we really wanted to make these a very truly hidden door, a couple things we would have done differently. I probably would have run the siding vertically. That way we would have been able to hide this slit on the door a little better, and we probably would have done a touch latch system. Sugi makes some nice ones. I also often use the ones from St. Louis Designs. All right, let me show you what this wall looked like before we put the siding on, and I'm gonna give you a few tips for your hidden door project. All right, we're about 60 days away from completion on this house, and this is the wall that's gonna get clad in that Shou Sugi Ban burnt siding. What's going on here is we've got two doors into mechanical rooms that we really wanna hide. And of course, you know I love hidden doors. Couple tips or a couple things you might wanna know if you're planning on hidden doors on your project. Number one, put your finished floor down first. This cardboard here is covering up my hardwoods, but my hardwoods are in place, they're totally finished, and then we covered them with ram board. And then above me, the sheetrock at the ceiling line is also totally complete. We've got a level 5 smooth, it's totally painted. So now as I hit those stopping points between the ceiling and the floor, we're totally done. We don't need any moldings or trim. We've got my favorite hinge over here. This is that Sugi hinge. I believe it's the HES 3D hinge. We've got 3 on each door. A couple things you want to know about hidden doors. Number one, you always want to make sure the door you're using is a solid core door. So right here we've got an 1.75 inch solid core door. We've got a lot of meat that we can nail and glue onto as we put the cladding on top of these. And really one of the most important pieces is your hardware. This is gonna make or break your hidden door. Make sure you use a good high quality hinge like these Sugi. Man, these hidden door projects are always so fun. I love them because they really get to show off my craftsmanship as a builder. If you'd like to see more of these, I've got an entire playlist on YouTube dedicated to all the hidden door projects I've done in the past. You can also go to my blog at mattreisinger.com. I've got a hidden door and hardware topics tab on there. And lastly, if you're interested in the Sugi hardware we used on this project, there's gonna be a link in the description below that will take you to that. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.